Welcome to the video number 24. In this video, we learn about mates and positioning your part in the assembly workspace. So now we have our part opened as same as the previous video. So now you can see here are the two different origins. You can either drag it or then try to place it on the origin, but it's very difficult to find the origin or the point where you want to place it. So for this, we go on and select the mate option here, which will be beside the insert components option. And when it opens up, you see a various commands you can select from. The first is the mate selections, in which you select the vertices, edges, or different faces of the part you want to mate together. Now there are three different types of mate which you can choose from. The first is the standard mates, second is the advanced mates, third is the mechanical mates. In the standard mates, you have coincident mate, parallel mate, perpendicular, tangent, concentric, and even you can put in the distance or the angle between the mates. And the next option is the mate alignment, in which you can reverse the direction of it. So for the advanced mates, you have profile center, symmetric, width, and so on. For the mechanical mates, you have cam, slot, hinge, gear, screw, universal joint. Now to coincide these two origins, we'll use the standard mates. So for that, we select these two origins, the points, and as you can see, we need to select the coincident mate here. We select it and then we press OK. So now then error comes up. So we'll just press cross. This error comes up because this part is fixed. As you can see the F here. So if the part is fixed, you can't move it around in your workspace. So for that, we just right click on the part and we select float. Now as you can see, I'll select this origin and we can move this part around wherever you want in the workspace and position it. Now you can see it's very difficult to find the origin point, or accurately I can't put in. So I'll just put it anywhere here. And now you can see the minus mark here, which means it is on float. So now I again click on the mate option. So now here I'll choose this origins again, and see it directly goes on to the coincident mate because it was the possible one, and the software chooses accordingly. Now as you can see here, there's this add and finish mate option and undo option. When you click on the undo option, your changes are reversed to the previous original one. Now I'll click this again, and now when you press finish or add, the new mate option comes up. So this is very feasible, like when you have two different parts and you need to mate it more than two times differently. So it helps you and saves your time by just not going again on the mate option. You can directly choose simultaneously which mates you want. I'll press cross here. Now as you can see, when I press the arrow here, drop down, it shows me the mate which I created. This will go on increasing and it will show the different types of mate you make. Now you can even see here the it tells you the part 1 and origin. Like if you want, you have mated the part 1 and the origin of the workspace. So this is all about the mates and its basics. Do check out the description box for quiz and answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.